Hey everybody, Rick Sammon here, Canon Explorer of Light, Kelby 1 instructor. Today I have 10 tips just for you on how you can make some great sunset pictures on Scott Kelby's worldwide Photowalk. Okay, let's get to the tips. Number 1, remove all filters when shooting into the sun. If you don't, you might get a ghost image of the sun in your image. Number 2, expose for the brightest part of the scene. In other words, expose for the highlights so the area around the sun is not overexposed and washed out. Use your camera's highlight alert to achieve that goal. Here I was shooting on the AV mode on my Canon 5D Mark IV and set my exposure compensation to -2. Number 3, to get the starburst effect, use a wide-angle lens, set your lens at f/22 and have the sun just peeking out from behind an element in the scene. Number 4, if the foreground is interesting, place the horizon line near the top of the frame. If the sky is interesting, do the opposite. Place the horizon line near the bottom of the frame. Number 5, take fun silhouettes. If you want the person in the scene to be recognizable, have him or her look at a 90-degree angle away from the camera. Can you recognize the person in the scene? Yes, that's me. Number 6, use a flash or speed light for sunset people pictures. Here's a shot of my son Marco taken with the Canon speed light, and here's a non-speed light shot. Big difference. Number 7, consider HDR. Sometimes HDR can enhance a scene, as it did here when I was taking this picture of the Blue Swallow Motel on Route 66. At other times, HDR can definitely ruin a scene. These two pictures on the right are straight out of the camera shots. For the bottom image, I painted the tree with the headlights from our Jeep. The picture on the left is an HDR shot, a shot that falls flat. It's a terrible picture. Always keep this thought in mind. HDR is great, but it can definitely ruin the mood and feeling of a scene. Number 8, this is going to sound very simple, but it's a good tip. Take both horizontal photographs and vertical photographs. Sometimes you get so excited about photographing a sunset that you don't know which one is best, and if you take both, you could choose the best one at home. Number 9, keep the front element of your lens very clean when shooting into the sun. If you don't, tiny dust particles will look like big blobs in your image. Number 10, use live view. Looking at the bright sun through the viewfinder can actually damage your eyes if you do it for a long time, even if you're wearing sunglasses. Use live view and protect your eyes from sun damage. Well, my friends, I really hope you get great light and great sunset photographs on Scott Kelby's Worldwide Photowalk. I'm Rick Sammon. I'll catch you later.